Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can assemble Ginyu Force. This team is free to play, that pretty solid for new player. This is the Ginyu Force. You can get this Captain Ginyu and its member. And also if you got this all 5 member rainbow, you can get also this one, Ginyu Goku or Ginyu Force for the leader. This is the free-to-play LR unit that you can get from the treasure of Baba Shop. But before we get this LR, you have to assemble this team first. Let's get start. Tap the event and go to this story event. This is a special event, Ginyu for special training. Tap this information before battle. This one. Collect Ginyu Force member exclusive potential orb in each stage. So in each stage you have to recruit this unit like Berter, Guldo, Captain Ginyu itself, Jace, and Recom. Like this. And there are time also in Sunday till Monday. You can recruit this one by one, but in weekend you can collect all of them like this. Agile tag in SRPHY special training. So please free to try. This team is free to play unit that pretty solid, can get through hard event. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.